What's the meaning of conscientiousness? Conscientiousness. Conscientiousness.
Conscientiousness. Conscientiousness. Conscientiousness refers to a personality trait characterized by being organized, responsible, and diligent. Individuals who score high in conscientiousness tend to be reliable, efficient, and self-disciplined. They are goal-oriented and strive for excellence in what they do. They are also generally more orderly and pay attention to details, which enables them to perform tasks successfully. Conscientious people are often thought to be dependable and trustworthy, making them valuable team players in the workplace and respected members of society. The trait can have a positive impact on one's personal and professional success.